Good morning and welcome to the 21st Annual Investors Seminar for Places for People. In 1997, your investment in Places for People was significantly below this, and over the last 21 years now, good God, has grown by over $2.5 billion. Your support in helping us develop our placemaking approach is hugely appreciated. As many of you will know, we've had a change of finance director in the summer, with Simran Sohan moving to a new role within the group. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Simran for his contribution over the last few years and to welcome Andy Winstanley, our new FD. He'll be speaking to you later. I'd also like to introduce you to the executive directors, David Cowans, Chief Executive, Mary Parsons, the Director in charge of Regeneration, Colin Ray, the Development Director, Pat Egan, the Managing Director of our Affordable Business. We also are joined by some of our non-execs who you can question or speak to during the drinks and lunch afterwards. Investor relationships are very important to us, and we appreciate the support that we receive from all of our funders. We want to build on these relationships so that we benefit in the long term from your continued support, which will enable us to continue to invest in infrastructure, house building, and creating lifelong sustainable communities. In 2015, we consolidated the group's funding structures, with affordable housing investment now being sourced through a dedicated financing company, with the primary objectives being to source investment at optimal levels and to ring-fence investment in commercial activity in a manner that protects social and affordable housing properties. This was a key discussion we had with the regulator, and we've taken this course accordingly. In 2015, we consolidated the group's funding. This structure has been used to great effect, with the group raising over $300 million of new money in the last 12 months, including the group's inaugural kangaroo bond. In addition, we completed the group's first funding for the commercial activities, raising a £65 million retail bond last December. I'd like to say thank you to all of you for your ongoing support from across the growing international investor base, including, of course, our core banking relationships. This strong relationship was demonstrated last year with the smooth and efficient integration of Derwent Housing Association into the group. It was again more recently with the successful liability management exercise undertaken by our Treasury team. It goes without saying that we work very hard at Places for People to maintain a financially strong group of companies, and we continue to have a robust, stable cash flow with liquidity and interest rate risk managed within target. We continue to work in a challenging environment, but we're as committed as ever to driving cost efficiencies to maintain and improve and hopefully try to enhance our operating margins. I'll now hand you over to the film.